in charge of community health clinic. How may I address you?
Oh, well, my name is Miss Maria, and actually, I am a mother of three children, out of which the younger one has got infected with some kind of I don't know what it is. They are saying it is lice because I have never heard of this term because we belong to a very good family. And he's scratching his head all day, and it's really embarrassing for a person like us who belongs to such good families.
Okay, it's a head lice that is bothering you at that moment,
Yes,
isn't it?
yes, it is indeed. Like it's with my youngest son, and I don't know how did he carry this infection because I have taken every precaution, and we send them to the best of the schools, and we try to maintain all the hygienic conditions using the latest shampoos and conditioners. So I don't know how did he carry that this kind of an infection.
Okay, ma'am. Firstly, please be calm, and I appreciate you that you have taken a very good decision to come here. So, best piece of advice and treatment will be provided you to your daughter.
Well,
So,
thank you very much.
okay, before proceeding further, I would like to ask some question related to your daughter.
Well, that's fine. You can ask about anything about her. Like I will not really mind. I just want the solution of this problem.
Okay, does your daughter goes to go to kindergarten or school?
Well, yes, of course. She goes to kindergarten, and as she's very young, so actually she's going to just a crutch, and she just plays over there and comes back.
Okay, when did you discover it?
I think she has been scratching her head for quite a long time now. Like it has been 3 4 days, and yesterday night was terrible. Like she was scratching it continuously, and it really embarrassed me because yesterday we had a function at our home, and it was really very disappointing for me.
Okay, ma'am. Did you apply anything on it?
Well, I tried to. I used kind of shampoos, conditioners, and later on followed by oil, but it really didn't work out. That's why I had to come to you.
Okay, so did you inform her class teacher about that?
Well, I really didn't do so just because it's about our reputation, so I didn't want to spoil my reputation.
Okay, thanks a lot for providing me such valuable information.
Alright, that's fine. I just want the solution of this problem.
Okay, ma'am, do not be get upset because we have so many solution for it.
Okay.
First of all, you will try the head lice comb. It's a special comb which is easily available in the market.
Alright.
So, but so many people think that it is some painful.
Okay.
So if you don't want to it, then you can also apply some treatment like a shampoo, lotion. First of all, you can
But
apply lotion.
I would not like to use any kind of chemical lotions. I would go with the herbal products because we are really specific about it. We don't want to use any kind of product that can cause reaction later on. So I would prefer to go with the herbal products.
Okay, ma'am. If you are worried about the chemical product, then I will provide you a non-chemical, that is a Prithrin.
Okay.
That is the shampoo and the lotion.
Okay.
Firstly, you can apply lotion, and after 5 minutes, you can wash your daughter's head with the Prithrin shampoo as well.
Okay, I can certainly do that. And do you think it would be enough to resolve the problem?
Yes, definitely. It is a very good solution
And
for your daughter.
what is the estimation of the time to curb this thing?
It will take 1 or 2 days.
Alright, so that would be fine afterwards.
Yes.
And do you think this disease is contagious? Because I was really wondering how did he carry this disease?
Yes, it is a contagious disease. So that's why I tell you that, and I would like to tell you that you should inform her class teacher as well, because
Okay.
this contagious disease can be controlled by collectively.
Certainly I will, and moreover, I think I should try to tell everybody at my home, like including my other children as well. I think they might get infected with the same.
Yes.
Alright. I will certainly do so. Well, thank you very much, nurse. And from where can I get these shampoos and the recommendations you have given, the herbal products?
You can take it to any chemist shop, and it is easily available in the market.
Alright, that would be done, nurse. Well, thank you very much. And
Okay.
anything else that I need to know?
Besides that, I would like to tell you that you should also take a leaflets and pamphlets from our reception area.
Okay.
It will also help you to provide more information.
Alright. That would be done. Thank you very much.
Okay, so I think I have explained you each and everything. Is there anything else I can help you with?
Well, no, nothing else, nurse.
Okay, thank you. Goodbye.
Thank you
Take
very
care.
much. Alright, thank you. Will be provided. Don't be upset. Two major mistakes and there are a many solutions. तो 3 मिस्टेक थी. Don't be get upset, don't get upset और don't be upset, वही जो तू रेगुलर कर रहा है, कल भी बात हुई थी. And then छोटी सी वो will be provided और a many solutions. Major mistakes, बाकी ठीक था. Alright, that is a cue card about the head lice from Dr. .BKM Institutes. Our contact number stays the same, 76967 34256. Thank you very much, guys. Thank you.